Hey everybody, welcome back to computer class. This is day 2 of our Google Docs project. You won't need anything for today until the very end, and we may not get to it. It may have to happen next week to turn it into me. But if you remember last week, we said that we were going to do an intro to Google Docs, and it says to click on the blue icon at the bottom of your Chromebook. If you remember, whenever you click on that blue button down at the very bottom of your screen, it's going to pop up like this, okay? Because it's Google Docs. And I'm borrowing Josie's login right now since she's in first grade and she'll be doing this project with us. Okay, so if you look here, there's a blank, but we don't want to start over. We just want to start from where we stopped last week. And you can see here, Josie already started hers. It said Josie, and then there's a picture of her. So we're going to go ahead and click it. And then it's going to open up your Google Doc. Okay, so it has your picture, and anytime you see this stuff where it says blue buttons, just click where it says got it. I'm teaching you Google Docs. It doesn't have to. So you can see that Josie's got her name, and she changed the font, she changed the color, she changed the size, and she added a picture of herself. Okay, so if you would like to change that, you can click and then slide your mouse across, and then you can change your color. You can highlight in the background. Do you see that? Or you can underline, or you can italics, which turns it sideways, or you can click bold, that makes it big and fat and strong, okay? Or you can change the size. You can change it from 48 to 60, and you can actually click and you can type one in. If you want to go 58, see how it made it just a little bit smaller? But I don't want to mess with Josie's. Okay, so you have this, and then what we want to do is click over here where you see that little blinker? It's called a cursor. We're going to move it down, and if you remember on your keyboard, I can't show you, but there's a keyboard, E-N-T-E-R, enter, and then we're going to add some stuff to it. So we're going to add one more picture today, and then we're going to add a few of our favorite things, okay, to do or to eat or whatever. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go up to Insert and Image. Ooh, we were doing that for the camera last week, weren't we? Insert, Image, and then remember you got to slide over very carefully, and we're going to go down to where it says Search the Web. So if you click there, you're going to see over on the side that Google will pop up. So I want you to think of one of your favorite things. Okay, it can be cat, C-A-T, dog, D-O-G, can be baseball. That might be hard to type. Think of something that's easy for you to type so you don't have to ask for help. Pizza. Yeah, some of you like pizza, don't you? So click pizza. And then what you're going to do is push that enter button again. You're going to use that enter button a lot. So then, whoa, check out all this stuff over here. You're going to see different types of pizza. And you can use those two fingers, remember, on the mouse, and you just slide gently, or you can use this little thing right here and click and pull down. I know that Josie only likes cheese pizza. So if I find one that's only got cheese, I'm going to take it. And you could look for a few minutes, and you might not find what you're looking for. So pizza is all that we need, so we'll just click a pizza. This one looks yummy. So if you click on it, there's going to be a check mark right up in the corner. And then down at the very bottom, you're going to be able to see where it says Insert. That means to put in. So we're going to click Insert. See what happens. Do you see that there's a big pizza there? It's pretty big, and I think I want to make it smaller. So we're going to click on it. I don't know, remember if we did this last week and we clicked on it to make ours smaller. Okay, but we're going to click on this one. And do you see where it does those blue little squares? We're going to go down to the corner and we're going to click it and hold it, and we're going to drag it. Do you see where it makes the lines? It's going to make the picture smaller to match those lines. So we're going to make it small. Do you see how small we made it? Okay, and then what I think we're going to do is we're going to put it up there with the other one. So we're going to click it and bring it up. Mine might be a little bit too... There we go. So I just needed to make it just a little bit smaller and it can fit. That's too big. See if we can make Josie small. There we go. And then we've got one picture of you, one picture of your favorite things, and then we're going to click down again. You see where we make the blinker really low down there? That might be tricky what we just did. Okay, so if it's down there, you're going to click it and bring it up. And you see where my blinker moved? And we're going to drop it there, then we're going to click down here. And then we're going to list 3 favorite things. So it might be pizza, enter. Might be dogs, and you might decide that your dad is awesome. Josie said that her dad was awesome. She's not going to say that. But so you can put 3 of your favorite things, okay? And then you're all done. And if you want, you can change. As I was saying, if you click and you drag your mouse, you can click it and drag it up. And if you want to change the font again, you can. It doesn't have to be the same font you had before. I would say you probably want to make it smaller, and you probably want to change the color. So I'm going to turn all of this back to the way that it was. But if you want to, you can change all of this stuff. Okay? And then whenever you're done, I want you to go up there and I want you to click right there where it says Untitled Document. If you click it, it's going to change it to your title, which is your name, which is what I want. And then click anywhere on the screen. Once you've clicked on the screen, then after that you can exit out of Google Docs if you want, and then you need to go to First Grade Computers. Okay? So let me get in here. I'm logged in as me. Hold on a second. And I'm going to go back to Josie because she's going to want to turn hers in. Okay. In First Grade Computers, if you didn't get there, okay, then remember this is what we're going to do. So we're going to click right here, and then there's a little video to watch about how to turn in your Google Docs assignment. So go ahead and watch that video now. Bye, guys.